What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. But today we don't really need safety. Today is Saturday and I think I'm gonna start making challenge videos every Saturday, and I want you to make a video response on every challenge video or comment below how to do it. Either way, it's gonna be cool. Let me know if it's a good idea in comments below and stuff, because I have a lot of people who makes a lot of video responses on challenge videos. And one more thing I want to talk about today before our challenge video is to thank you to all my 3,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. You're making this channel grow so fast, and I wanna make videos almost every day, but I don't wanna do it every day because quality over quantity, you know what I mean? Comment below if you prefer quality over quantity. And that's pretty much it. You guys are amazing, keep it up with all those comments, I read every one of them. So let's get to our challenge. Alright, here's the rules. First you need to draw 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 dots right here. Your challenge is go to all the dots using only 4 straight lines. The next line has to start where the last one ended. For example, if you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? 2 dots. I haven't been 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, but I didn't go through these 2 dots. Alright, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? I failed at it again. I didn't go to these dots. If you are a genius and know how to do it and make that possible, because there is a way to do it. Let me know in comments below, or I'll make a video response to this video, and I love to see your videos. Hope you enjoyed the challenge, and maybe in the next couple days I'm gonna show you how to do it. But first I want you to see the video replies and comments below how to do it. If you do it, you are a genius. I'll see you next time.